show that 85% of native oysters worldwide are depleted. Among these affected species is the Platula placenta or window cane oyster.
Isa ngayon, medyo na ano sila sa bagyo, yung kalamidad na namamatay sila. Kaya kahit isa, wala na po kami nahuhuli na ano sa bagyo.
Cappies is essential for food, crabs, and marine ecosystems, but decades of overharvesting have pushed it into decline. It is considered as endangered in India and regulated through the Fisheries Administrative Order No. 157.
Yung unang panahon, parang apuso kasi yung shell niya binabiyahe sa ibang bansa galing dito. Ay ngayon, binabawalan na sa Bipar.
This problem prompted efforts to restore cappies through transplantation, rehabilitation, and aquaculture systems that mainly focus on other species, not cappy shells. Despite these initiatives, the declining cappies population here in Mangkamagong, Basud, Camarines Norte remains unaddressed, suggesting the needs for further innovations.
This is why we developed the Hatch iTank, an IoT dual-powered system that monitors and regulates the water's physical-chemical parameters through real-time database monitoring displayed in the LED screen. Its automated feeding system dispenses Skeletonema costatum, a diatom phytoplankton, supporting optimal growth.
Beyond species restoration, this study supports multiple sustainable development goals. SDG 14 for marine recovery, SDG 2 for sustainable food, SDGs 1 and 8 for coastal livelihoods, and SDGs 9 and 12 for responsible aquaculture technology.
Kakatulong yan. Kakatulong. Kasi, parang, yan, buhay ng tao. Oo, di ba? Pag talagang, halimbawa, parang may sakit ka din di tayo mabubuhay dito sa, tayo ng magandang istaran.
Presenting the Hatch iTank, I am Jenica F. Fabria.
I'm Ashana Eloisa E. Aquino.
And I'm Andrea May Ivia.
Where innovation meets conservation. With the Hatch iTank, there is hope for cappies.